and I'm going to let you know what you can expect from our master and what you cannot expect. So if you are thinking of studying how to run a company, how to do the accounting, marketing, labor relationships, this is not your master. We teach economics. We teach our students how to understand the market outcomes. So we equip them with methods and theories and the analytical tools and data mining techniques to analyze the data those markets generate. You can expect a small class. About half of the students are from abroad.
I chose this particular master in Sarrico because it was the only one that provided me with the background in data analysis, which is something very important nowadays, and because as economists we need the tools to manipulate and to analyze all the data, which I repeat, it's very important today.
Our graduates end up working in many different companies and governments. Some work in consulting, but most of them end up working in companies that don't necessarily have a particular profile. So if you look at the distribution of our graduates among the population of firms, we actually only have a case where a company hired 2 of our graduates. The others are in different countries all over the world. So you can plan your future, your career, your professional career as you wish.
Nowadays, those who have studied mathematics or sciences can work almost everywhere, but as economists, and even if we know something about data analysis, we can find a very wide range of sectors or places where we can work, such as companies or in public institutions or maybe in education, and so our possibilities are really, really high.
To give you an idea, according to the university last estimate of our employment rate is 100%.